Hey everyone, hope you all are doing really well and had a fantastic weekend. And it was a big week for the Smart Money Moves community. We have our own community where we are collaborating, trading together, discussing what's happening in the market. And obviously, we had a session earlier, and you can see what we were expecting from Bitcoin a few days back. I had this chart in my session that I'm expecting Bitcoin to tag 80k or even higher, but obviously 80k was a big resistance for Bitcoin. We got rejected, so it's Monday. We don't know yet. We still have another few 10-15 hours before the market closes to see what happens. But just to clarify, we have CME gap below, so question is if they're gonna come and fill them or keep going up. So we shall see, but on the 15 minutes we can see we have vector candles to the downside and more vector candles to the downside here as well. So I am expecting Bitcoin to pull back a bit, calm down, jump push from here, or even worst case go down and then make the new high up, so that would be the week midweek reversal. So we shall see what happens with that. And obviously if I look Bitcoin on the higher time frame, you will see that this was a huge, very important level for Bitcoin. If I go on the hourly, you can see how we marked these levels few days back, that Bitcoin had vector candles here. It would come sweep those, and now just like how we had vector candles to the upside, now we have to the downside. So yeah, obviously there's lots of liquidity sitting below, but you know how the market works. If the sentiment turns bullish, everyone jumps in, they get wrecked. So since the market makers took so much effort, I think they would like to come and grab this liquidity at 81,500 or even towards the 84k, which is a very important big level for me. So there's a possibility Bitcoin goes for this liquidation here. It's a lot of money sitting there, so it's much easier for market makers to go there now than take a round trip down then come for it. So it's very few interesting weeks ahead that we need to keep an eye how Bitcoin reacts in this zone. The longer we stay above 78-79k, the more bullish the sentiment becomes. So so we should watch what happens here for Bitcoin. Looking at the total market cap, and there's a possibility if Bitcoin comes down, this also has a pullback before the next leg up. But if I go on the 4 hours, I can see that could be a possible push to the $2.96 trillion market cap before we roll over, before the market rolls over. So very important zone for total market cap, because it's been a big rejection zone here. Always it takes support, goes up, rejects, lost it again. So we will try. If it doesn't push above from this, then I'm expecting this scenario for total, but we shall see what happens. Other than that, Bitcoin dominance, been expecting this from last few weeks for Bitcoin dominance to go to 63-64%, maybe then have another kind of reversal. But for now it looks so bullish, it probably wants to go higher. And only thing is, as long as Bitcoin is pushing with the dominance pushing up, it's the alts will do okay. But if the price is going down and this moves up, it's the alts are going to feel the heat. I think they will have a big dump. So as you can see for USD dominance as well, this is what we were preparing from last 2-3 months, and it's going the exact same playbook. So expecting USD dominance to come down and give back all of its gains at some point. So what I mean is all coins giving back all its gains. So we need to watch what happens. And if you look at stock market, it's just not stopping, it's just stopping. The question is, when will the fat lady start singing? So we shall see. I mean, this looks like top, but the market can be irrational and keep pumping. So all you can do is manage risk. Although there's nothing else to do with the market. Or have your risk management tight, have your profits set, your target set, your stop loss set. That's the only way you survive this market. So yeah, same thing for Nasdaq. You cannot long this. Definitely you would wait for an opportunity to short when you see weakness. But it's Monday, it's a trap day, so we wait patiently. Being patient helps. It's rewarded always. So just waiting patiently for that. Rather than that, the community took these trades. We took the Doge trade, which went really well. 3 TPs hit. That was an amazing trade. I mean, all we had to do was place a stop loss, TP levels, and that's it. I mean, as easy as that, And then we had World Liberty Finance, which was doing so bad last few days, but we tried to take leverage, but it stopped everyone out. But spot was good, as I mentioned, but we tried again yesterday, but got this move up, which was almost 15%, which is definitely a good trade. And yeah, that's been amazing. And just take few good trades and relax and wait for the next opportunity, So not jumping into too much trade. But if I look at Bitcoin liquidation, you can see that we have lots of liquidity below. You can see that right now on the daily we have lots of liquidity up and down, but majority on the 7 days towards the downside. So that 75k, the breakout, is a huge zone for Bitcoin. So if the bulls don't push, all this liquidity will be taken, So 75 is a big level for Bitcoin. So yeah, I think that will be the sweep which I mentioned. Take all of this liquidity and then roll over. So let's watch what happens. And yeah, that's it from my side now, and see you all in the New York session. Take care.
Falling from the sky, small money moves, yeah, we see the real trend. Making the market makers our only true friend. The Asian ring is set, the trap is being laid. Retail's jumping in, they gonna get paid. But there's a sweep coming, shark in the deep, taking all the orders while the energy sleep. I'm the liquidity.